The FEELWORLD LUT7 Pro Monitor boasts a stunningly bright 2200 nit screen, ensuring clear visibility even in bright daylight without the need for a hood. With its external install and power design, the monitor can be easily powered by an F970 battery, streamlining your photography setup and increasing efficiency on set. Featuring a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1200, a contrast ratio of 1200:1, and support for sRGB and Rec. 709 color gamuts, this monitor captures every detail with precision. The monitor supports loading up to 50 custom LUTs internally and displays HDR signals, allowing you to replicate post-production workflows while shooting for incredible clarity and detail. Included in the package are a mini micro HDMI to HDMI cable, a tilt arm, a disassemble wrench, and a manual, although the battery and power adapter must be purchased separately. The ambient light sensor ensures the screen's readability in various environments while protecting your eyes, making it a versatile tool for different lighting conditions.